I'm gonna do a little covert, quick flyby, I guess, just because I'm downtown and there's my friend Daniel just came out of the store. I'm getting ready to go in. Excuse me, getting ready to go in. It's the Dollar General is downtown. It is on the river. We'll go walk down there later. It's battleship in the distance and hotel on the river, and Dollar General's right under here, underneath some condos and things like that. Nicest Dollar General I've ever been in. So apparently I can bounce around between different locations. If I'm not getting enough hours, but it sounds like the position there that they put me in, that won't be a problem. Shift leader or whatever they call it, key holder, a key master. Some combination of gross posters in the Matrix. But whatever. The key holder. Zool. I am Zool. But whatever. Big marshmallow guy's gonna go down the street at any point now, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna spin through here and pretend like the phone's not doing anything. So I need to get something to drink anyway. I'm like dying. I got cotton out big time. How you doing? Oh, yeah, that's kind of a funny thing. Let's see. Good. I'll play some diagnosing. Yeah. So there's a really well-kept store right in the center of downtown, so I can see why right off for now.